Oh, this is it. This is where we do it. Open the Excel sheet. We want to convert this column, the date column, into three separate columns: the month, the date, and the year. So I'd already done that. Now let me show you step by step to do that. Okay. First, create three columns. We're talking of the month column, then you have the day column, then you have the year column. Okay. So this is what we want there. That's where we want the month column to be here. For the date should come here. For the year should come here. So to separate this, to take the first number, put the equal sign. I want us to put the formula month. Okay, month. Open column. Select where the date format is. Close column. Put enter. Come to the second column, day. Put the equal sign. Since the day, so write the word day as a format. Open. Click on the date. Close. Enter. Click here for the year. Put the equal sign. Put the year format. Okay. Close. Open. Select. Then close. Perfect. So we have been able to separate the three. So what happens is we highlight them like that, then drag them to the last entry, and voila, we've been able to separate the month, the day, and the year. Now, first to avoid carrying the formula with you, this formula, what we do is uh, we highlight the whole column, right click it, we can say copy, paste on the same place, but now a special comes here. Paste special, say value the numbers, say OK. So you see we don't have the formulas. Okay, I think that's it for now. We have date separated into columns. Thank you very much.